Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's go over a common drill that I see all the time for this lateral acceleration, so lateral speed that people talk about. There's some really good stuff that's going on in terms of obviously the direction of force application, the angles that you want your body to be into. But sometimes we're overemphasizing this idea of big push, big thigh separation. So let me kind of get into it. I've seen a bunch of people, and this is how I used to train it as well. Cover as much distance as you can by pushing this leg in as hard as you can to the ground at this angle. So it would look something like what we've all done before, where you push, boom, and get out. Yeah. But let's break it down a little bit further. And then let me tell you how I now teach this drill. Okay, so I'm here in this position with this big push out and this big thigh separation that we're kind of preaching here in the industry. So I'm here, boom. First off, this foot's planting straight down. Now you got to get over this foot. You got to get your hips over on top of it. You got to get a shin angle change. This foot, this leg rather, is lagging behind. Yeah, you got a great big split. That's one element. The timing, the sequence, though, in my opinion, would be poor here. Because boom, now you got to get over it to go. Yeah, so the way I teach it now, completely different. I'm worrying about this leg steering in the air this way. And before this foot hits the ground, this leg actually has to get off the ground and start to cycle through, or swing leg retraction through so it hits the front side and I'm not lagging behind. So then it's just here. As this one goes, right? Completely different. Okay. So even though I still want quickness, I still want power, I still want explosiveness, I can't sacrifice all of that for timing and sequence. I still have to have that element in there at all times. And to me, I'll go this way too. The timing and sequence is off when I see the big boom leap out. It's the same thing with straight ahead linear sprinting, right? I've talked about that before and make another post or video on that. But right now, today, just want to give you a quick drill. Instead of telling your athlete to jump and project as far as they can with a big leg split, I'm telling you, still work on the body lean, but see if you can have some timing to it. The timing in this case is, can this foot get off the ground before the front side leg hits? Okay, so it sets you up to be in an ideal position for your next step. Right? Just some things to think about.